Hey guys, my name is Tamara Renee. So as you can see by the title of today's video, it is all about this unit that was sent to me from Nadula Hair. I'm just sharing with you guys all the goodies that I received in my package, and I'm also showing you guys the construction of this wig. So here it is. This is a pre-cut 6 by 4.5 lace wig. It is a body wave. It's 24 inches and the density, it's 180%. Yeah, 180% density. All other hair details will be down in the description box below. So we got a breathable cap. We have this silicone strip at the back to, I guess it will stick to your nape, the skin back there properly, because this unit, you do not have to glue it down, okay? This wig is ready to be thrown on and head out the door, okay? I will be showing you guys throughout the video, like legit, I did not apply any lace adhesives, like nothing at all. First of all, I don't even glue my wigs down. I just use an adhesive, the Ebin spray. That's what I usually use, but you don't have to use anything when putting on this unit. And this is such a beginner friendly type of wig because not everyone has the time to do all that extra work and stuff like that. And some people just want to get a wig to put on and look presentable and head out the door when they're going out the house, you know what I mean? So with this unit, I just love how lightweight it is. I love that the cap is a breathable cap. You guys saw that. So it doesn't feel super heavy on the head, and your hair, like your scalp, your head will feel, a bit airy. Like you won't feel like suffocated, or you won't feel like you're, I don't know. I mean, the feeling of like wearing a hat, like, yeah. But with this wig, it doesn't feel like anything too heavy on my head. So like I said, this is a body wave unit. So I am going to throw in some curls from my curling iron. Oh my gosh, I was going to say wand. What is a curling iron? And I did go ahead and apply some of my foundation on the lace to kind of tint it, just to make it look good. So because again, we are not gluing it down. And honestly, I just applied a little bit of product to the hair because I did want the curls to be kind of loose-ish. I did apply some serum because I want the shine there and I wanted to hold the curls, and I did apply some hairspray on it just to give the curls a form. But I don't want set curls. I kind of want them to be loose, so I did finger comb them throughout towards the end of the video. But you'll see throughout the video, like I was shocked, okay, because the way this wig is sitting on my head without any glues or adhesive, like it's just crazy to me. But I just love that it came pre-cut, so like that's less work, you know what I mean? However, I will say I did have to go ahead and just cut a tad bit, just trim a little bit of that extra lace that was on there because I found that it wasn't sitting properly on my head. And I do love that the strap on the inside is adjustable, so you can tighten that and have that sitting firm on your head. Like this wig ain't gonna move, okay? It's not going to move. So this is definitely a unit that I would highly recommend for anyone to try out, honestly. And I'm sure it comes in like different hair textures, different styles and stuff, but definitely check it out. And y'all, I love the robe that I got, a new robe. I love the color of it, and it says Nadula on it. So, big shout outs to them. Again, all hair details will be down in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renee, TikTok at Tamara.Renee. Keep up with me on my blog at www.tamararenee.com. I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next video. Bye.